Hi everybody, how are you? I hope and believe all of you are fine and I am also well. I'm Mr. Shafiq with you. Actually, I'm not a professional someone. I'm not a good trainer. I'm not an instructor. I'm not a facilitator. I'm just a learner like you. And I try my best to help you to increase myself and to increase yourself. So today I'm here with some common words with some correct pronunciation like the native speaker. Actually, আমরা যে ওয়ার্ডগুলো সচরাচর ইউজ করছি সেগুলো ফিনেটিক্যালি কতটুকু কারেক্ট হচ্ছে অর দ্য নেটিভ স্পিকারদের মতো হচ্ছে সেটা আমরা হয়তো এতটা বিবেচনা করছি না। তো আমি আমার আজকের এই পদ্ধতিতে বা আজকের এই লেসনে আমি দেখাবো জাস্ট আই শ্যাল ট্রাই মাই বেস্ট টু প্রনাউন্স দ্য ওয়ার্ড উইথ দ্য কারেক্ট প্রনাউন্সিয়েশন লাইক দ্য নেটিভ স্পিকার। সচরাচর আমরা যে কথাগুলো বলি সবগুলি কিন্তু কারেক্ট। আমরা ফ্যামিলি বলি সেটা হচ্ছে, আমরা ভিলেজ বলছি সেটা হচ্ছে, আমরা মডারেটর বলছি সেটা হচ্ছে, বাট in order to increase this word or the pronunciation like the native speaker, my mission is to just hear and to repeat after me, just imitate me or just copying me like this. Generally আমরা বলছি family, but the real pronunciation of the native speakers say family, not family. Okay, just repeat after me or imitate me or the copying me, right? We pronounce or we say village, but the real one is correct one is blaze, not village. Okay, then we pronounce moderator. This is also correct according to our opinion, but the native speaker says moderator. Yes, we pronounce modern, but the correct or the native speaker say modern. We pronounce wonders, or wonder, but the correct one is wonder. Yes, wonder of modern science. We pronounce wonders of modern science. Actually, the native speaker says wonder of modern science. Yes, we pronounce say, but the native speaker says say. Yes, we pronounce ask, but the native speaker says ask. I ask him, ask, not ask. We pronounce environment, but the real one is environment. Okay, we pronounce military, but the native speaker says military. Yes, military. Just repeat after me, military. Yes, we pronounce Bangladesh. This is also correct, but the native speaker says Bangladesh. Yes, we pronounce better, but the native speaker says better. He's better than me. Yes, better. We pronounce literature. This is right, but the native speaker says literature. Yes, just repeat after me or imitate me or the copying me, right? Okay, literature. Yes, we pronounce current, but the native speaker says current. Yes, not current, current. Yes, we pronounce basic English. We pronounce, but the native speaker says basic, not basic, not basic or basic, not basic or basic, but basic, basic English, not basic English, right? We pronounce after all, but they pronounce after all, after all, after all, not after all. Yes, we pronounce good day, but they pronounce good day, good day, good day, good day. Yes, good day, not good day, good day. Yes, we pronounce understand, but they pronounce understand, not understand, understand. Yes, we pronounce writing, they pronounce riding, riding, not writing, ding. Yes, good. Just repeat after me, or just imitate me, okay? The copying me. We pronounce water. Give me a glass of water, but they pronounce wada, not water. Yes, we pronounce visiting, but they say visiting, not visiting. Yes, just visiting. We pronounce national, they pronounce national, not national, national. We pronounce or say teacher, but the real one is teacher. Yes, okay. So just repeat after me or copying me. Number 1, family, village, blaze, moderator, modern, wonders, ask, say, environment, literature, border, better, not border, better, water, current, basic, military, Bangladesh, after all, not after all, after all, good day, not good day, yes, understand, not understand, understand. Yes, visiting, teacher, national, teacher. I hope and believe all of you have understood. And according to me, this is the pronunciation of the native speaker. Yes, there's some phonetically there's some problem it would be, but the native speaker says like this, and there are some mistakes in me, it may be, but I shall try my best to teach you to learn and also to increase myself and to increase yourself. So best of luck, see you again, bye bye.